The big story for this week is going to be the increase in temperatures from the 30s last Saturday to the upper 70s heading towards your Thursday. You notice we do have a few days in the 70s for this week, but this increase in temperatures is going to come with plenty of opportunities of rain heading throughout this week, starting as early as tomorrow. So a developing low pressure center over Texas is what's driving this moisture throughout this week. And you notice the stationary boundary, which is just down to our south. This is attached to that low pressure center over Texas. So for tomorrow, we are hanging out on the north side of that stationary boundary, which is the cooler side of it. So temperatures are going to stay in the 50s, and we are going to be socked in with clouds, 20% chance of rain for your Tuesday. Now by your Wednesday, low starts to shift off to the east and the boundary starts to shift off to the north. Now as the stationary front starts to lift off to the north, it's going to increase our temperatures and increase our moisture levels. So better chances of showers for your Wednesday, 30 to 40% chance, with temperatures hanging around in the lower 70s. Now by your Thursday, that stationary boundary becomes a warm front. You can see that warm front just above the banner right there. So bringing warmer temperatures to the entire East Coast and also increasing our moisture levels for the entire East Coast. But you notice for Thursday, the majority of the rain is hanging off just to our west through Thursday afternoon. By Thursday night, that rain is going to start to move into the area, and we are going to see better chances of rain heading into your Friday. So 40% chance of rain for your Thursday, up to 70 to 80 by your Friday. And we can't rule out the chance of hearing a few rumbles of thunder or seeing a few thunderstorms heading into your Friday. Now, once again, this cold front does start to stall out. So for your Saturday, another sloppy mess, warm temperatures in the low 70s, but plenty of rain around for your Saturday, 70 to 80% chance of rain once again. But as we head into your Sunday, cold front does start to move through, cooling off our temperatures into next week, but also drying our weather off as we head into next week. We'll talk about how much rain we're going to get coming up.
I knew that SC Whitman was a good fit when I could work at my own pace and I became more independent, and I saw how much I changed academically, and so I knew that SC Whitmore would be a good fit for me.
Well, you probably saw a sneak peek of it just before the break, but the GFS and the National Blend of Models over the next 7 days going 1 to 3 inches of rain. European model just a bit higher at 2 to 4 inches of rain, but given the circumstances, I do believe a good forecast for rain over the next 7 days is 2 to 3 inches. Now, taking a look at the 10-day forecast, you notice in the upstate we are a bit cooler, 40s for tomorrow, 50s for your Wednesday, and staying in the 60s for your Thursday, while everywhere else we are in the 50s for tomorrow, jumping up into the 70s by your Wednesday and upper 70s close to 80 by your Thursday. Better chances of rain by your Friday and Saturday, hanging around in the 70s. Cold front does start to move through by your Sunday, cooling off our temperatures and clearing out our skies. Heading into next week, we are going to be closer to average next week. So keep it here at Will's Weather for all the latest information.